Frappe Cenkon, Frappe di Moshai, Dinosaur.
Going down! I don't want to go down! I thought we should ride. You covered, Aid? Go ahead! Go ahead! Go ahead! No! No!
You are cleared for visitor center.
No! No!
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entrance.
Not bad, not bad. See, I told you it was Star Wars. Was that necessary? They could have opted down the future call, you can't be on the ride.
In a few seconds,
No, it's not.
where plant-eating dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
That's why. That's why. Oh, they want to leave.
In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
Hold all boats in safe zone. Going down across the board.
Patch me in and kill this one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fairview. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
The security team is deployed. They will get you safe.
Owen Brady, the Indominus Rex has escaped. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way.